He said, yo, you a preacher. I said, bro, I'm not no preacher. He was like, you got something to share with people, right? You got something people want to hear. He was like, I don't know what this means spiritually, but just in my head just now, I saw a watermelon. And I'm like, watermelon? He was like, yeah. He's like, I don't know what it means. You look it up biblically, like a watermelon. Like, that's what I just seen. So I was like, okay. So, I looked it up. But, and then I was telling people about it. And it was like, like when I talk about financial literacy, it's like I'm sharing that information. I'm giving people knowledge. I'm helping people change their life. Mm-hmm. Like when I say their life, I mean their life. Literally, people buying houses, right? 2 weeks, we closing on a house in 2 weeks. Never talked to a lender. Never ran their credit. Mm-hmm. Never did a tax return. You see what I'm saying? These are people that was never able to buy a house before. And I'm closing on them a house in 2 weeks with $80,000 of equity in it.
Let's go.
Nice. You see what I'm saying? So,
nice. Comment, credit, and I'll send you the free resources.